Hi, my name is Harrison, and I'll be talking about how to use Google Meet. So let's get started. In order to use Google Meet, you must have an active Google account. Then head to meet.google.com to get started. Once here, you'll see the option to join or start a meeting. Simply click this option, and you may begin your meeting. Give it a name, like Test Meeting. And you can also learn more how to schedule a meeting here. Or click Continue. From here, your camera and microphone will boot up. Then you can either join the meeting or invite others to join as well. By clicking Join, you're now in the meeting and you are given this information to invite others. You can copy joining information or add people from your contacts. You can also enter a phone number to dial them directly. When your meeting's concluded, simply leave the call and return to the home screen. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Meet meetings or Meeting Tomorrow services, check out the links in the video description. We specialize in producing both live and virtual events around the country and are here to help.